So let me tell you a story about a chicken, since we're having a chicken dish tonight. So I'm mowing, which I like to do.
Yes, you do.
I'm on the riding lawnmower, and I stopped for a brief moment
To stretch.
to stretch and try to. I almost got into the electric fence, which is a whole other story.
Yeah, that was a good story too.
But as soon as I turned the motor off, I heard Timothy Brown, farmer. I'm like,
That's your whole name. That's serious.
what did I do? Because if I ever heard that, with Mom, I knew I was in serious trouble. And I'm like, why is she saying my middle name? Am I in trouble? So
Because I'd been screaming for you for a while.
I didn't know she was, faced, with a life and death situation. So her voice told me something was wrong. So I ran over there.
I think you walked slowly.
Maybe I walked.
Whistling the whole way.
So I got over there, and she was backed into a blackberry bush, and she had her flip-flop in her hand, and she was being attacked by our rooster.
Mm-hmm. Did not like the
Which-
rooster.
I saw humor in it. You didn't.
You did.
And you said, I want you to kill that rooster. I said, well, he's, I've never had any problems with him.
He ran off when you came.
He
You
ran
chased
off.
him off.
He ran
Yeah.
off. Because, when you go to get eggs.
I almost died that day.
So he attacked your dad.
That's right.
Who wasn't doing very well.
That's
Then he
right.
attacked my
Right.
dad and laid his leg wide
I
open.
remember that.
And so I was kind of getting aggravated with him.
Oh, so it takes the dads to get aggravated. Okay.
So I went down there to get eggs, and he laid me open.
And I was laughing.
And you were laughing.
That's right.
And I said, tonight we're going to have coq au vin,
That's right.
which means rooster in wine.
There you go. And he was delicious. That made me
and
happy.
that's what we had that night.